Welcome to North Vancouver, where mountains meets luxury living. Discover your dream home today amidst the serenity of the North Shore.
We got 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,600 square foot, located on a corner lot in the beautiful neighborhood of Mount Seymour.
This is North Vancouver living at its finest. It's time to elevate your lifestyle amidst the beauty of the North Shore.
Come on in, let's give you a tour.
As you step into your new home, you're greeted by such an open concept. You have brand new laminate flooring, which creates this nice airy feeling. You have a dining room table here, which really opens up into your expansive living room. What's great about this home is that this corner lot has so much windows and so much natural light that's pouring through. I also absolutely love this gas fireplace, which creates such a homey feeling for you and your family.
And here is your first of 5 bedrooms. As you can see, very spacious bedroom and also large windows, which brings in tons of natural light. And you also have ample storage with the closet space for all your storage needs.
And here is your kitchen. I absolutely love these black quartz countertops with a white backsplash and dark kitchen cabinets. You have a stainless steel Samsung fridge as well as a stove. And imagine cooking and looking out these beautiful windows and the bamboo forest right behind you. And here this opens up into your breakfast nook. Just imagine having your coffee or breakfast in the morning. And I absolutely love right behind are these French doors that open up into your master bedroom oasis. Here is so spacious and large, and this is really your sanctuary. It's really relax and unwind, and last but not least is your private backyard.
Imagine a place where nature is an extension of your home. Well, this is it right here. You have a large covered deck, perfect for enjoying your private backyard and the outdoor year-round. The possibilities are endless out here, from hosting summer barbecues for all to enjoying the perfect novel by yourself. Each day is an opportunity to immerse yourself in the North Shore beauty that surrounds you.
You're in close proximity to the beautiful mountain trails such as Mount Seymour, Deep Cove, and Lynn Valley, where you can go mountain biking, skiing, and hiking.
You're also in catchment to Seymour Heights Elementary School, Windsor Secondary, and Capilano University is only 5 minutes away.
There's tons of parks, recreation, and amenities nearby, including Kate's Park, Northwood Village, Superstore, and so much more. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact any one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
I'm Herman Wong.
And I'm Ann Pham.
Feel free to contact us and we'll schedule your private viewing today.